What's happening YouTube? Your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we are looking at the Zus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor Mini. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come of tips and tricks on your iPhone and your Android. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. Have you ever had that problem in your car, the engine light just turns on and you have no clue what's going on? Today, we're gonna see if we'll be able to find out what it actually needs and wants. So without further ado, let's open it up. Here we go. So basically, it's a pretty simple device. The bottom part, the Nonda little symbol there is the cover. We just snap it on top of that, just like that, and you're good to go. Today we're going to show you how easy it is to install this on your vehicle. We're also going to show you what the app looks like and what it could do. Here's some instructions how to install it or how to put it on, and the QR code that you can scan so that you can get the app. But today you can just search in the App Store and search Zus, and you should be able to find that real easy. So basically, you just go to App Store, spell ZUS for the US subscribers here is ZUS. Basically, you just search that just like that and download the app. This works for iPhones and Androids. Once you've opened the app, you're gonna have to register, or if you already have a login, just log into your account. Once you've registered and logged into your account, make sure to verify your email. They're gonna send you an email verification. Make sure to verify that. Once you are all ready, let's go ahead and install the Nonda Zus Smart Health Monitor. Now go ahead and go to your car, find the OBD2 slot underneath. It's usually underneath the driver's seat. It would look like this. So go ahead and look for that, and then just slap on the Smart Health Vehicle Monitor, just like that. The next step is real easy. Just turn on your vehicle. Ready, set, go. Once you've turned on your vehicle, go ahead and punch in the credentials that you need. Basically, you're just registering the vehicle with the Nonda app. You'll need to locate the VIN number of your car, which is found on the driver's side again, on the outside, on the window, on the windshield area, right at the bottom. You can also find this information on your insurance. You just ask your insurance, or maybe on your pink slip, on your insurance slip, you should be able to see it there. Once you punched in all the vehicle and everything is correct, go ahead and go through the next thing on the setup. Once done pairing, it should show you the information, maybe your speedometer, and also top speed and how you are driving today. That's pretty cool. Now let's try scanning our vehicle. Let's see what kind of damages I have on my vehicle. Maybe I don't know, maybe something I don't know about. So how you want to do that is go to safety. There you go, safety center. Go ahead and press OK, and it'll start scanning. And there you go, no issue detected. That's pretty cool. So every information that you need on your vehicle, every sensors that are built in on your vehicle, it'll be said here. And some of the stuff you might not have. So they'll try to upsell you by buying the tire pressure checker and all that stuff. Actually, all their products are seems to be pretty good. I have a few of them, and I really would recommend them. They also have an SOS option here where you can call the police or ambulance right away. They also show you how long have you been idling. Basically, every bits of information that you want to know on your car, you'll be able to see it right here. Here on the settings, you can change the units as well. If you are a different part of the world and your measurements are different, you can change that right here. They also have data log that will show you everything that is going on in your vehicle. Once you have been using this for quite some time, it would show you some information as well. Right now it's fairly new, so there's certain parts that you don't really see just yet, but once it's all ready to go, then you'd be good. Here they also have a CarPlay option, which I don't have CarPlay on my car, so I'm not even gonna use this. Once you have the other products of Zus and Nonda, you'll be able to see it here as well, like the tire safety monitor and all that stuff. It's really cool actually, so go ahead and check that out. This is not sponsored or anything, I just like their products. Another thing that they have here on this feature is a car finder. So maybe you are on a grocery store and you took your time in there and you forgot where you parked, you'll be able to find it right here. Now we're going to show you how to fully customize your dashboard. So here, if you swipe all the way to the right, you'll be able to add different data that you want to add, like acceleration sensor, ambient air temperature. There's a lot of stuff here that you can add. So just go ahead and see what you need and add it to the dashboard. I love how they added this feature where you can add 8 different types of things that you want to monitor all at once. So that's pretty cool. You can have your fuel tank level and you can even move it wherever you want, just like that. And it's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what kind of things you would add on this panel. The last part I have here is to show you how bad of a driver I am. It'll show the app, on the app as well, it'll show that how efficient it is and how you drive and all that stuff. The longer you use this OBD smart monitor, the more information you would have. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being part of our unboxing / initial review of the Nonda Smart Vehicle monitor. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down in the description below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below as well. Hit that notification bell so you're notified of the next videos to come. Hit that like button so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day. Wear your mask and stay safe out there. Peace!
Baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out sweet as a high, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hold back. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Baby, don't